The Pottery Mini Fridge is a versatile thermoelectric cooler. Features 6-liter capacity. It helps you organize your bathroom counter or bedside table. Perfect for keeping your skincare products fresh and extending your product shelf life. Made with ABS material, the fridge is 100% eco-friendly. The thick insulation layer and tight lock can keep your drinks at the right temperature consistently. With advanced semiconductor operation, it's 100% free and can conserve more energy. Ultra-quiet system reduces noise levels to 40 decibel, won't get in the way of your sleep. Comes with a built-in handle, you can take it with you wherever you go. With both AC and DC to power this fridge, it's very flexible to charge it at home or on the road. Enjoy a cooler adventure with Pottery Mini Fridge.
The Cooluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of any chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking magnetic door handle, removable shelf and door pocket, comfortable carry handle, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road, or use our exclusive USB power cable to plug into your power brick and take it with you wherever you need to be. Keep your essentials cool or warm at home or on the go with the versatile Cooluli Classic Thermoelectric Mini Fridge.
Hi, and welcome to the Flawless Beauty Fridge tutorial. Did you know that keeping beauty products at cooler temperatures has been proven to extend the shelf life of products? But that's not all. It also improves the overall application and quality of your favorite products. The Flawless Beauty Fridge is a mini refrigerator used for storing beauty serums, nail polish, organics, vitamins, creams, masks, and facial tools. Inside the box is your coveted Flawless Beauty Fridge. But my favorite part is the pack of adorable stickers that let you make your beauty fridge totally you. Now, I'm obviously a girl boss, so I'm gonna place that sticker at the top of the fridge. And I'm also feeling calm, so I'm gonna put the cucumbers on here. I also really like the Flawless sticker, so that's gonna go on there as well. However you choose to brighten up your beauty fridge, it's sure to look flawless. This beauty fridge is lightweight and compact, with dimensions of 7 by 10 by 11. It easily fits into small spaces, like your bathroom countertop, bedroom nightstand, vanity or desk, or wherever you find it convenient to keep your beauty supplies. Now, the first thing you want to do is plug the beauty fridge into the nearest outlet. It could even be plugged in with an extension cord. Before plugging in the unit, make sure the switch on the back is set to the off position. Set the power switch to the on position. A green light will turn on to indicate the device is in cooling mode. It is normal for the back of the fridge to be warm when in use. However, it should never become too hot to touch. If this occurs, unplug the fridge and contact customer service. To clean, turn the unit off and wait until it's reached room temperature. Wipe the inside with a soft cloth to remove any of the moisture inside of the fridge. This should be done once or twice a week. Now let's stock the fridge. Open the fridge and place your products inside however you like. The shelf inside is perfect for holding your serums, moisturizers, nail polish, and face rollers. These have added benefits, like depuffing and calming when kept in cool temperatures. These benefits are especially helpful when dealing with inflamed and irritated skin. The shelf is also adjustable and can be removed if you have larger products. The compartment on the door is ideal for face masks and gua shas. Did you know that keeping your beauty products cool helps prevent premature aging, oxidation, and discolorization? Now that our products have cooled, let's see what the effects are. I'm going to apply my moisturizer first. Wow, my face already feels so much better and more hydrated than before. Now I'm going to use the cooled Flawless Contour to help my skin absorb the moisturizer, but also aid with depuffing. I truly feel like I'm in a spa with these products at their ideal temperature. Now, here are some tips to make sure that you're using your fridge safely. 1. Do not reach for an appliance that has fallen into water. Unplug it immediately from the receptacle. 2. Do not use the unit where it can fall or be pulled into a tub or a sink. 3. Before cleaning, unplug the appliance. 4. To disconnect, turn all the controls to the off position and then remove the plug from the outlet. Thanks for watching and learning about your Flawless Beauty Fridge. Your skin will thank you. Oh, and by the way, Flawless Beauty Fridge is the ultimate gift to give a loved one or even yourself. Come back whenever you need a reminder on how to best use your fridge. Stay cool and remember, you're flawless.